No matter how hard you are trying to be successful trading Forex online, still all you are getting is a bunch of losses. This is frustrating, right? Hey, I get that, and over the course of 2 months, I intend to change that. I highly suggest that you subscribe to my channel and turn the alert notification bell on so that you won't miss any tutorial upload. Hey there, my name is Cletous Ngoma, the co-founder and coach at Money Downloaders Private Limited, a Forex Academy fully registered and incorporated under the Companies and Other Business Entities Act in Zimbabwe. Now, when I started Forex trading, I lost a lot of money due to lack of proper guidance. I didn't have money to pay for a good mentor out there, and I had to figure out a lot of things for myself. You can learn more about my journey as a Forex trader at moneydownloaders.com/about Cletous Ngoma. The link is also going to be in the description below. So I was just thinking that someone might also be in the same situation I was when I got on this journey. A situation whereby no matter how much work you put in, all you will still get is a bunch of losses. Therefore, I decided to teach you all the necessary things that I learned since I got on this journey of Forex trading. I don't want your money, and I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know for free. So if you find my information is valuable, please share it with others. If you find that it's garbage, feel free to say it in the comment section below, and I will try to even go more into depth so that your experience implementing this course or my strategies will be nothing but excellent. So also, since you're getting this for free, I also suggest that you also share it with others free of charge. To cut the story short, over the course of 2 months, I'm going to teach you 4 modules of my advanced course. But before we start, let me address the following 3 questions. Question number 1. After completing your course, what instruments will I be able to trade? Well, my strategies can be applied on anything that you intend to trade, be it currency pairs, metals like gold or silver, synthetic indices like volatility 75 index, boom and crash, and etc. What you find out is I might use a lot of chart demonstrations with synthetic indices. It doesn't necessarily mean that the strategy only works on those ones, but that synthetic indices are my favorite instruments to trade. Question number 2. You used to charge for the course. Why are you now giving it away for free? This is a good question, right? Now, I realized that I was also held for free by a friend. So it comes off as somewhat being unfair, at least to me, to charge people when I wasn't charged to discover some of these secrets and manipulations involved trading Forex online. However, if you realize that your case is somewhat special and you want me to personally coach you, then you can sign up for my one-on-one coaching by going to moneydownloaders.com/coaching. The link is also going to be in the description below. And for a much discounted price, I will personally train you using online virtual meetings on Zoom. But worry not, if you are disciplined enough to follow without alteration what I will teach you in the next 2 months, then you will realize that there might be no need to sign up for that one-on-one coaching. The last question, who is this course for, right? You need to be self-motivated and dedicated to master this course. Nothing is going to be achieved easily, my guy. You have to put in the work. If you are thinking that this is going to be a get rich quick scheme, then I highly recommend that you stop watching this video immediately and go find something else. Alternately, I can promise you any performance similar to what I would display in this course. In terms of profit or loss, it is going to highly depend on you as a trader. What I can promise you is that if you follow without alteration, my tutorials are going to make you more successful than you will be unsuccessful. Congratulations, if you've made it this far. This can only show me how dedicated you are. So, without wasting much of your time, let us get rolling. So, in module 1, we are going to discuss Forex Reversal Patterns. It is these patterns that are key to this course, and without a clear understanding of these patterns, you will most likely never understand trade management strategies that we will discuss in the last module. So I will try by all means to move slowly, and what you will find out is these lessons, especially in module 1, will seem like I'm over explaining things and dwelling on one point for quite long than normal. Well, trust me, it will be for your own benefit, and you don't have any other choice other than listening to everything I will have to say, no matter how boring I can get, and giving all my tutorials. All you have got to thoroughly understand them. Going into module 2, we will dive into the market anatomy. You see, when I was studying medicine, there was a course called anatomy, and by definition, anatomy is the study of structure, especially as reviewed by dissection and separation of parts. So we will dissect and separate cadavers to find out how a human being is structured. So it is in this module that we are going to study the structure of the market. We are going to separate each type of market structure based on its distinctive characteristics. And with this understanding of the market structure, we are going to be able to properly assess market trends and hence allow us to make even better trading decisions. We will pay more attention to the two types of market structure. Number 1, the ranging market structure, and the last one being the trending market structure. In the next module, we will cover an in-depth understanding of proper technique of top-down analysis. I've seen a lot of people who doesn't do it. You really need to start considering top-down analysis if you want to filter out false signals. Some traders are doing it all wrong, but well, why not? In this module, I will show you the correct technique that you need to apply. We are also going to use top-down analysis to help us predict or anticipate which direction the market is going to assume in the future. I once again show you why being good in anticipation will increase your win rate. Last but not least, in module 4, I will guide you into developing a trade management strategy that will give you the best results trading Forex online. And it is in this module that I will teach you entry and exit strategies that I have also mastered. I will also show you the best trade management strategy that you need to start using. Alright, now head over to moneydownloaders.com/training and download the advanced course curriculum. I also want you to write down an essay stating why you need to be a professional trader. The essay has to be at least 100 words. State what being proficient at trading Forex is so important to you. This will help you to stay focused, and each time you think of quitting, I just want you to read that essay. It's quite easy, right? Are you still losing money and thinking of giving up? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my level best to help you become a successful Forex trader. Until then, I will see you in the next lesson.